Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am getting these fabulous coleus from Proven Winners planted around the feed tank bed. Now we had originally had this planted with barley. We harvested all that barley. We went ahead and threshed and winnowed the seed. It's now refrigerated, and that's what will be packaged to sell at the Fall Open Garden, which is scheduled for Saturday, September 23rd from noon to 4 p.m. And remember, at the Fall Open Garden, that is when we sell all of the cool season seed, including the poppies and larkspur. And I don't sell this seed online. It is no mail order, only in-person events. And this fall, unfortunately, I don't have a ton of in-person events scheduled, so the open garden is going to be the very best opportunity. So mark your calendars now. But I'm really excited to go ahead and get this bed planted once and for all for the summer season. So I'm going to put it on time lapse and let you enjoy vicariously the process of digging all these 2-gallon holes. And then I'll give you an up close view of everything that is growing in this bed for the summertime. Well, just in case it's dark by the time I finish, I want to show you what is in here. So obviously we've got the perennial milkweed, Asclepias tuberosa. That's been planted for, I don't know, at least 6 years. And then a few weeks ago, I seeded in fava beans to see how they would do through the summer. And then we've got that petunia, whose name I don't remember. Also had planted peanuts and a mazel basil. It's one from Proven Winners as well. You can see a lot of fava beans are growing quite well. I also seeded in some different varieties of okra. So the goal here is that these will sort of rise taller than everything else. And basically I've just repeated that pattern on both sides, and then the coleus will ring the bed and the gomphrena will just sort of pop up as a firework. Over here you can see more fava beans, okra, petunias. The roly-polies are nibbling on the amazel. But I think once this is fully planted and really starting to grow, all these plants love heat. This bed is going to be pretty spectacular. Well, everybody, as predicted, I got to garden right into the darkness. And I think that this bed looks great. I love the dark coleus with the bright orange Asclepias. I've added a couple of those gomphrenias, and I had 10 coleus. That was really for allocation of space in the Prius. I could have used 12, so note for next year. But instead, I put a mazel basil on either side of the pathway, and that was David's suggestion because he said he can walk out and gather basil without having to put shoes on. He doesn't have to worry about stepping in fire ants. So I can't wait to share updates with you from this bed and all of the beds that we have planted here in our Zone 7 Central North Carolina garden. I hope that you will subscribe so that you can stay in the loop as we continue to make progress getting things planted for the summer. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Happy planting.